carry the fish and
Jordan,
do this.
look. Jordan.
Carry the fish and do this. Try again. I'm gonna take a picture.
Okay.
And do this. Yeah.
Alright, quick. What's the time? Oh, one on. One's on. Here he is. Oh, do you see him jump in the water? Got that? Here he is. Oh! This thing is a salmon. Woohoo! Look at this. Here he is. Bring him in. Swim over there, Sander. Look, he's swimming there. Right here. Here. Wow! Look at that. What a beauty. That's a good catch of salmon. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look. She's a beauty. It's not bad. Look at that. I think that's one kilo.
How are you
One-
feeling
one to
getting
kill.
this salmon?
Oh, I'm proud. Good sense of
Look
achievement,
at the
mate.
camera and carry the fish.
Not bad, eh? That's one kilo salmon. Oh. Alright, Sander.